Chapter 7 review, and we are going to do this first level 1. Question number 1. Find the degree of the monomial. So degree of the monomial is the number that is on the exponent and is the highest number on the exponent. In this case, the degree would be 4. For letter B, the degree of a constant is always 0, and degree of x is 1. Number 2 is write the polynomial in standard form. Identify the degree and classify the polynomial. If you write this one into standard form, so you're going to first write the 10p square, so the highest degree or highest exponent in the front, plus 2p minus 9. In this case, the degree is 2, and this is a trinomial because this has 3 terms. For number 3, you want to find the sum. I understand this is cut off. Is 11x plus 8. So this is 11x plus 8. Now to add, you can rewrite these two polynomials and combine the like terms. Like term means that you're going to combine the x square with the x square, x with the x, and constant with the constant. Now the like term for 2x square and 4x square are going to be 6x square, and you're going to now add the x with the x, so negative 11x plus 3x is going to be 8x, 4 plus 8 is 12, and this is written in a standard form. It's just asking us to find the sum, but if you're going to practice, you can also write the degree of this one is 2, and this is a trinomial because it has 3 terms. Anytime you do the subtraction, you have to distribute the negative sign inside first of all. And inside distributing the negative sign means that it will change the sign of the inside term. This 3x becomes negative and this 10 will become positive. Combine the like terms, so 6x minus 3x is 3x. Negative 8 and plus 10 is plus 2. For multiplication, which is number 5, you're going to use either the distribution or the FOIL. If I use the FOIL, 3x times x would be 3x squared. 3x times 6 would be 18x. Negative 2x and negative 2 times 6 would be negative 12. Inside two numbers are same or like, you can combine them as 16x. Again, these two questions are not asking for us to write the degree or the classification, but it's always a good practice. This one has a degree 1 and degree is 1, and there are 2 terms, so this is going to be a binomial. Degree of this one is 2 and is trinomial. So for question number 6 for level 2, there's just multiplication of 2 binomial, and the third one is just a distribution for number 8. When you do number 6, you can either do the distribution or FOIL. So I'm going to use the FOIL. M times m is m squared. M times negative 4 is negative 4m. 6 times m is 6m, and then 6 times negative 4 is negative 24. Combine the like terms, so you're going to get is m squared plus 2m minus 24. Degree for this one is 2 and it's trinomial. You don't have to answer these two questions for degree, but you can do the more practice for each question. Similarly, 4 times 8 is 32, y times y is y square. 9 times 4, negative 30 because it's a negative sign. And then you're going to do the for 3, you're going to multiply with 8, you're going to get 24, and there is a y with it. 3 times negative 9 is negative 27. Combine the like terms in between, so 32y squared, negative 36 plus 24 is negative 12y in between and negative 27. It's a trinomial with the degree 2. The last one looks different, but it's actually easy. You just multiply or distribute this 2x with the whole bracket inside. So 2 times 3 is 6. And x times x to the power 2 is x to the power 3. 2x times 5x is 10x squared. And 2 times 6 would be 12 with x. This case the degree is 3, and this is going to be a trinomial. For number 9, you're going to multiply the same factor twice. And you can do is with the FOIL, x times x is x squared, x times 7 is negative 7x, negative 7x, and then negative 7 times negative 7 is positive 49. X squared minus 14x plus 49 is your answer. So for number 10, you're going to use the box method because this is more organized. For 2x times 5x squared, so you're going to write this polynomial on the top, that there are 3 terms and the two terms are here, and then you're going to multiply right here. So that's going to be 10x cubed. 2x times 7 would be negative 14x squared. 2x times 8 would be 16x. And now you're going to multiply this number to the polynomial on the top and write here the answers. Negative 15x squared, 3 times negative 7, so negative 3 times negative 7 is 21x. Negative 3 times 8 would be negative 24. You're combining the like term, so there is no like term for 10x cubed, so you just write that as is. The combining for 15x squared and negative 14x squared would be x squared. 21 and 16, so you're going to write that as 37x, and there is no term that can be combined with negative 24, so you just write the negative 24 as it is. This time you're going to have a degree for this one is 3, and there are 4 terms in this polynomial, so 4 terms are in this polynomial.